Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia again. Just want to walk around a demo that we have here. This is a manager-driven Kia Sorento EX Plus. That's a V6, automatic, all-wheel drive, can trailer up to 5,000 pounds. It does have a full warranty, less the kilometers. I think it's about 10,000 kilometers. So you're still getting full warranty, the ability to get the great Kia financing. So let's talk about the vehicle. So front sensors to let you know how close you're getting to something. Optic headlamps with optic fog, so nice and bright. Tinted windows. Panorama glass roof with the roof rails. It does run the Sirius satellite radio system, big screen with a backup camera. Keys would stay in your purse or your pocket. Walk up to your door, touch the door, it unlocks, and then push button start. And there's the all-wheel drive symboling. With the all-wheel drives with Kia, they wrap them in rubber so you're not wrecking your paint in case you do take it on gravel roads or up country. A little spoiler on the tailgate. It is a power tailgate, so it has smart tailgate. If I've got the keys on me and the car's not running and it's locked, I wait 3 seconds, it automatically will open. It does have the backup camera under lip, so it shouldn't be all wet when you're trying to back up in the winter months. Backup sensors as well as the backup camera. Cross mitigation, it'll tell you if somebody's coming towards you from either side of the vehicle, whether it be a person or a vehicle. Runs on regular fuel, again 3.3 liter V6. They are good on fuel and they are powerful. This is a 7-seater vehicle, so there's going to be plenty of room for you and family. Just going to walk up to the vehicle and jump in. It does have the blind spot detection in the mirrors. It has the auto folding mirrors as you're going into garage or onto ferry. It has the memory seats for you and your loved ones. Auto windows down, auto windows up. Power windows, of course. You do have the power tailgate controls here if you don't want to get out of the vehicle. Blind spot detection that would show up in your mirrors on the vehicle. And a 3-prong plug-in behind in the second row so that you can charge laptops and things like that. And you control it up front. Auto headlamps. This has 9,433 kilometers on it. Bluetooth, cruise control, auto windows, big screen. Still has a CD player, which is wonderful. You can't see it probably here, but there is a symbol for a tow truck, roadside assistance or SOS, which would be on an app on your phone, so you could start your vehicle from anywhere in the world and warm it up before you got in it. Big panorama glass, beautiful leather seats. They are heated, the steering wheel's heated, great armrest, power seats here, and you can actually really control how you want them to be. Just going to pop open the back door and then I'm going to be done. But this demo is here at West Coast Kia. We're at 19950 Lougheed Highway. We're at the border of Pitt Meadows and Maple Ridge. We like to say just across the bridge in Maple Ridge if you're in Langley. This has that 3-prong plug-in USBs back here for guests, air conditioning controls, a nice armrest, and I'll just pop this little lever and that will drop this seat. I put these seats back down here. This is the 2 for the rear. It does have its separate air conditioning controls. Just a really nice space, lots of room, high ceilings. Come on down to West Coast Kia. Let's do a deal on a demo. This 19 Sorento's here ready to go. It's an EX Plus, as I mentioned. West Coast Kia.